Hello guys and welcome back to Blacklist. Today we are in my f80 M3. Today we're going to be installing every single carbon piece you guys can think about. I'm talking side skirts, front lip, kennards, and even changing my headlights. Stay tuned, enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, sit back, relax, enjoy another video on Blacklist. Today we're going to totally change the front end of this car, and I'm saying totally. You guys don't even know what kind of lip I bought. You guys don't know what kind of side skirts I got. But if I got custom headlights, who knows? Stay tuned and enjoy this video. Before this video starts, let's get a little cold start for the day. Hopefully everything fits in the f80. You guys thought we were done? We're never done. So let's put some more boxes inside the car. Who said you need to have a truck to carry all the parts? I can't even see on the other lane how much stuff is in here, but there's almost $4,000 worth of parts going on to the f80 today. So stay tuned. This video is gonna be totally one of those videos where you eat your Takis in your room, relax and chill. That being said, I appreciate everyone for the support. Thank you for all the comments, all the likes. You guys been on it. Thank you so much. That being said, after this, I don't know if I'm gonna end up keeping this vehicle or not. Next video is gonna be another BRZ video, or maybe even pranks. I want you guys to, like, in the comments to let me know, do you guys want more prank videos? Do you guys want more car videos, or just keep up what we're doing, 50-50, or just let me know what you guys want and to see and more happen. I've been waiting for these parts for almost 2 to 3 weeks. We were waiting on the side skirts. I just wanted everything to get installed at once. Mod that I have. That being said, let's head over to Exclusive Motors. Shout out to Dan, shout out to Vlad, shout out to Grayson, shout out to all the boys at the shop being able to for agreeing to help me today. And we're gonna definitely change the looks at this. Like, the f80 is gonna go from, yeah, it's cool, yeah, it has a CS hood and everything, but we're gonna take it to a next level of fucking holy shit. Stay tuned for the headlights. We're gonna be installing the ultimate carbon fiber install on the f80. Starting with this box, we ordered brand new carbon fiber bangs. I opened these boxes just to double check that everything is fine and nothing is damaged. More carbon fiber lower bangs. With the lip, I personally like the look of the Laptor R lip. So removing the Laptor R front lip. I don't know yet if I really want to install the side pieces or not. We'll have side pieces. I don't know. Sometimes we'll just have to see how it looks like on the car. But maybe we'll go with them, maybe not. I ended up going with the PCM style section. I went with some aggressive side skirts, just so it matches the front end, the front lip, and everything. So it's gonna be a fun day installing these, and that's not the best part. The best part is inside that box. I'm gonna leave all the things that I bought, links in the description. I want to give a big shout out to my friend Yin Ying at the Belgian Yeli Technology Co. And that's where I got my headlights from, and I'm gonna do another unboxing that once we get to that point. But right now, let's show you guys what the car looks like right now and what we're gonna do to it. Are you tired of having pre-LCI, non-icon, ugly headlights? and you just want to buy icon headlights, but you just can't afford them because they're $4,000 or $3,000, well, I have a solution for you. And shout out to my friend at Bilgene Yali Technology Co. I'll leave their link down in the description. They hooked me up with these icon headlights. These are the multicolored one. They're exactly almost same as factory, but 1/4 of the price. And today we're going to show you guys what they look like on our car, and we're going to show you guys if they're worth the money or not. These are the multicolored ones, so these are the ones with 5 flashes of your high beams. They will switch to yellow. You will see that in the video. So I want to give a big shout out to my friend Ying, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, and use this link to click on it and tell them Aram from Blacklist send you guys to get a good discount out of them. These only took less than 12 days to show up to my house. So once again, I want to give a big shout out to them, and the link is down in the description. Thank you guys.
Flash them 5 times.
All right. See it?
Those are some angry ass eyes, that's all I can say.
Right here, we have the before. These are the in the middle. So there's level 1, level 2, and then icons. These are level 2. These are cool, you know, they're sporty, you know, nothing wrong with them. I would have actually kept them if I think there's a way to make them yellow, but these right here just scream single turbo kit, fully 85, 900 horsepower built motor, traction no contraction.
I ordered a combobulator. And what part is it? It's a combobulator.
No traction no contraction. Oh yeah. More. Man, get this oil burning piece of shit back out of here. Damn.
Oh yeah.
So after we finish the headlights, these things look amazing, you know. Shout out to my friend Yang. I don't raise a shit, but shout out to you. Now we're gonna have, before we install our carbon fiber lip, shout out to my boy Dre, he's gonna be helping us today.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna install these kennards first, and then we're gonna do the front lip. These came with some cheap 3M tape. Do not recommend that. I recommend you buy your own and install it. Just go get some, don't cheap out. Don't cheap out. Jesus.
Cut it. That's what happens when you rush, guys.
I know it's 3M tape, but bro, damn.
Hey.
We should have used the cheap shit. Nigga, I can't get it off.
That shit is stuck.
What the fuck?
Guys. You see? This is what happens when you rush it. Now we're gonna have to go through, retape all of it, because he wanted to rush it.
Don't rush it. Do not rush it.
Guys, we're back after some technical difficulties. Looks like we're about to fucking go on another leave.
This is not 3M. I swear they use this on airplanes.
Size out. Huh? Because look at the gap on that one and look at the gap on this one.
You gotta force it in. Just tap her in. Just tap it in. I'm gonna rate it out of 10 how it looks, and out of 10 how hard it was installed. So 10 being hardest installed, and 10 is the sexiest it looks. I'll give this a solid, I think it looks 8 out of 10 in my view, and I'll give it a fucking 10 out of 10 hard installation. 3 of 10 was fucking hard. I feel that.
Alright guys, so we've resulted, since it was being so hard, so difficult to put it on the actual part and then put the part on the car, we have resulted to putting the 3M tape on the bumper, and then we are just going to slide the part over it.
Everything.
Attempt number 2.
Attempt number 65.
Attempt number 100.
Just watch the bumper.
Oh yeah.
That's
thing
money. Listening.
That. I'll give this a solid looks. 10 out of 10. Installation. 1 out of 10. It was super easy.
Alright, Dre. What are we saying? Looks and installation.
I'll give it a perfect left twix. Amazing. Easy, simple, no problems, no issues. And it looks beautiful.
I'll give it a solid 10 out of 10. Easy. Easy. If I make this, everyone watching need to subscribe. I am the one.
I am the one your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard sun will pop the clock.
As you guys can tell, it's like 3 a.m.
Dumbass
I'll
up.
make it Memphis.
Fuck no.
Move, bitch! Move out the way, bitch!
That's no.
That's a crazy shot.
That is a crazy shot. That's gonna be the clickbait. Hey, can you hold it in like this? Holy shit. I know I ordered the dress.
Get into a perfect spot, hold it all the way through, push it down.
I know exactly what you mean. In the last clips, you guys saw us, we installed the most insane carbon fiber on the f80 M3. We installed the Raptor front lip, we installed all the splitters, we installed the PCM side skirts, Raptor RR front lip. And the best part, you guys saw us install the fake cons headlight. Once again, if you guys want these headlights, I'll leave a link down in the description where I got mine. I got these off of AliExpress. Shout out to my friend Yang. Excuse me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Over, like I said earlier, at their own website. I'll leave the link right down below. Tell them you Blacklist, YouTube channel named Blacklist, saying you guys will get your headlights in less than 2 weeks and for the best price on market. I think I'm starting to like light a little more. That being said, here's a little clip of all the carbon fiber we installed on the car. Let me know in the comments, do you guys like the yellow or the white look better? That being said, I'm gonna leave a link to everything I bought, from the Raptor RR lip to the front kennards to everything down in the link below. Easy for you guys if you like it. And once again, reach out to my friend Yang to get your headlight for the best price on the market. Don't buy them off a different website because they're all buying them off of Ali. So why don't you save that time and hassle and get yours off of there too? Once again, shout out to Yang. That being said, enjoy this little clip of all the carbon fiber we did on the car. But tell me in the comments again, you guys like the white or the yellow? Me personally, I don't know, I'm kind of iffy. The white and the yellow does look good. Man, $50. $50 for gas. That being said, let's tune it back on. I'm put it back on 91. Shout out to Flex Fuel. Shout out to Burger Motorsports. Shout out to my boy Kenan.
Someone's feelings is about to get hurt though.